Hello guys, welcome back to another video of HTML. In this video, we are going to see some different tags which are used for creating beautiful UIs in HTML. So these are often practiced with a lot of HTML developers and we are going to see how to implement it. The first tag which we are going to use is the nav tag. So I'll just go here and I'll type in your nav, and inside this we are going to create a list, or you can say the anchor tag. So ahref, which is the reference, and here I'll just type in your HTML and then just save this. Okay, and now you can type your HTML. That's it. Okay, so go below this. Okay, wait an hour. And now that's how you can do this. Now I'll just copy the more tags here in this. So here you can see that CSS, JS, Python, I already copied it and I pasted here. So instead of HTML, CSS, JS in this link, you can type any of the links, like you can paste your Google links, YouTube links, videos links, whatever. For a reference and for temporary purpose, I have just type here the link. So let's see and how this nav tag works. So we'll open it with live server and wait till second. Now you can see HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python tags have been created. So you can see the gaps between this. So that's the basic use of the navigation links. Now we are going to see the data list. Well, the data list tag specifies a list of predefined options for an input element. So the data list tag is used to provide an autocomplete feature for input elements. The users will see a drop-down list of predefined options as the input data. Now you can see, as we have stated here, it is a feature for input elements. I have used here an input tag, which says your list as browsers, name as we have stated browser, and ID is browser. So to create a data list, we'll just type in your data list, and here we'll specify the ID for which we have to use this data list, and I'll just type in your browsers. Okay, and we'll just do this, and I'll create an option here. Okay, which would be, and we'll set an value to this option, so it would be like the H from Microsoft, and we'll end this. Now I have already copy pasted some couple of options here, so I'll just hit enter and paste it over here. Okay, so we don't need this. It's okay if you type. We'll just save this, and let's see how data list works. So open it with live server. Now you can see choose your browser from the list. Now if I choose here, if I type here H, you can see the list has been popped up. So that's the basic use of data list tag. So it can be only implemented on input elements. Now if I type here Firefox, you can see it has been prompted here. So that's the basic use of this data list. Now we are also going to see the field set in this lecture. So let's go to the file. So the field set tag is used to group related elements in a form. The field set tag draws a box around the related elements. Now let's see how we can create a field set tag. First thing which you have to type here is the field set. Okay, and I'll just type here field set, and inside this you'll need to set the legend. Okay, so what is the purpose of this? We'll explain. Now I'll just type in your personal information. Okay, and here we'll go inside this. Okay, I'll just use a colon here. It would look good. Now here we are going to use a label. So label, and inside this we are going to use for, like, first we are going to use the f name, that is first name, so it is going to be for first name, and inside this we are going to type here first name. That's it. And for this we are going to use the input as input type as text, so just type in your text, and again we are going to give id equals to f name and name as f name only. Okay, so it doesn't matter and then we are going to close this, and we are going to add some couple of break lines here. Okay, so close this, save this, and let's open it with live server. Now you can see here this legend has been appeared in this web page. So the purpose of writing this personal information is this is how legend works. It places the value in this style. Now you can see this first name has been created, and now you can type anything inside this as per your need. Now, I have also copied a couple of elements which you can go ahead and try practicing it. So I'll just paste this here, and I have created last name, email, birthday, and you can also add some more text fields like phone number, telephone number, address, what and whatnot. So save this, and when you go here, you can see last name, email, birth date has also been created. Now you can choose anything from here, date, then you can also choose your emails. Okay, you can also choose last name, first name, and then you can submit the button. So that's the basic use of field set. Now we are going to see what is the progress bar. Well, the progress tag represents the completion progress of a task. So while downloading a file or installing a software, you see how much installation or downloading has completed. That's the basic progress bar. So let's go ahead and create here. As you can see here, H1 has been created, and I have named it as the progress element. I'll create here a label. So just type in your label, and I'll type here the label for a file. So file, and I'll just type in here downloading progress. Okay, downloading progress. That's it. Now to use the progress bar, or to show the progress bar, you need to use the progress tag. So type in your progress, and you can also specify ID to this. So ID would be file, and value. So to set how much progress you want here, you have to use value, and the max value could be 100. Okay, so 100, and just close this, and I'll here add here 32%. Okay, because a value is 32% here. So save this, open it with live server, and you can see this progress bar is showing 32% completion of a file, which is to be an imaginary file. So that's the basic thing of downloading this. So you can also change this. Let's change this and make it to 50. Okay, save this, and okay, I'll make it 52. Save this. Now you can see half of progress bar has been completed, but it is just an imaginary progress bar. So if you want to work with it, you want to show actual progress of a file downloading from your website or your page, whatever you are going to create, you'll need to add a programming language, any programming language. So you can also basically work with JavaScript, which is in this course too. So that's the use of progress bar. So that were the tags which are popularly used by developers, and you can practice it and implement in your web pages. So that's all for this video, guys. See you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Goodbye.